Hi, in this video we will see how to create a form in a Microsoft Access for entering a data and a save button on that form, so that data can be saved only with that save button. Because in Microsoft Access, whenever you enter a data, it save automatically. So in some cases you don't want that. You want only to post a data whenever you press the save button. Okay, so that's just a simple table. It has a three attribute: ID, name, and phone number. Okay, so let's go to create and form design. That's the form design, and what we need a text box. Data format. Okay, so what I'm going to do, close that. I don't want to save. Go again to create, and much easier way is, because this is form design, you have to design there basically everything. So there is a form wizard that's much flexible to do. So now you select the table and you select attributes that you want to see on the form. Next, there is some options, and that's going to be a vendor table. Finish. So that's basically you're done with the form. Okay, go to form design. Here you can modify your table design as you want, so it looks a little bit better. Okay, let's see. That's the table view. So just now there is no data. Okay, if I enter some data, actually I cannot enter any data here now. Why? Because it was in a design mode. Okay, let's say A, B, C, and that's your company name, and I just haven't got any button there, nothing. I just close. See, the data is already entered there. uh, just if you close and open again, see the data is modified. The same data now is a overwritten. Okay, so we have to sort out this problem. Go to design mode, and that's the form. Just click on this corner, so you must select the form. uh, then you have to come over right side. Here you will see toggle allow home view, set allow layout, embedded, sizable, Go to data, first data, and go type, event, others, pop up. You see that pop up? You just select yes. I will show you what it does. Save and go to now form view. So now this time it's pop up that form. It's not it's no more like before, and you can even adjust a bit size. So go to view. Now see, now this form looks a little bit, it's better. Okay, go to design, and now I'm going to create a button to save the data and to close the form. For this purpose, to go to button, I'm going to make that button. Now it gives you some options. What do you want to do with this button? Record form operations. Now you see there, close form, exit, doorway, stop. I'll choose the button, close form. I'm giving the name btn close, btn close. Okay, good to go. Now let's view again. Now do you want to save these changes? Design mode, yes. So close. So your close form button is working. Okay, now just create another button. That button is going to a record operation and save record. It's going to not the pictures, it must be a text. I'm going to call it button save btn, actually not m, btn save. So now you have a save button as well. Okay, let's see how it behaves. Form view, and still I need the, because now it's standing on the current uh, record. It's not generating a new record. The somehow whenever I open this window form, I want to, it must go into a new, brand new record. So otherwise you can see in the bottom down there, you have to click on that one. That's the new record. Now for example, now the new record is going to be a what's the name is okay, and the phone number is 552568. And okay, now I'm going to show you one thing. Although I have created a save button and this was just a closed form, if I just close the form, uh, so now, oh no, I lose that button. Actually it was asking for to save that button attributes. Okay, just create the one quickly. Record, save record, next, save record text, btn save, btn save. So you must save this form, otherwise I can make